What's going on, everyone? Zeekman here. I'm in the NODA neighborhood here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm gonna check this place out. I've always been curious about checking out this certain type of bar, and there's one right here in North Carolina, and I want to make a video of it. I think it's gonna be cool. So we're gonna go and check out MacTabby Cat Cafe. This is a pretty cool place. They got a lot of different artwork here, and it all has to do with cats, believe it or not. We've got look, this cat hiding. There's out in the North Davidson neighborhood. David Bowie and a cat. MacTabby Cat Cafe. Follow them on Instagram. We're going in to see the cats.
Alright, so we've got 12 cats in here. They're all up for adoption from the Humane Society. We just ask that you please not pick up the cats or carry them around. If they hop onto your lap, that's totally fine.
Okay.
We have a bunch of toys to play with them on the orange table right over here. Watch your step as we're going down.
Little step action.
And then there's a TV to your left saying all their names, ages, and adoption status.
Oh,
this
cool.
is Martha coming to greet you right now.
Hi. Hi, Martha.
Yeah, she's not shy.
Yeah, not at all. Here, come with me over here. So here are the cats. Kevin, Ulf, Martha we just met. Oh, cool. So I went with the Samoa cookie latte. I use dairy milk. Sometimes I get oat milk, but I don't know. I just got dairy milk today. So let's take a little sip. Chocolate coconut caramel. Tastes like a Samoa. Hi, come here. Hey, what's going on? Nice and warm in there.
Huh?
It's nice and warm in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they know the good spots.
Hi, Sunbeam. You're so cute.
She's so nice.
Oh.
Like, she's literally one of the nicest cats I've ever met.
Really?
She just lets you do whatever you want.
You're so cute.
She says, I don't care as long as I get attention.
Yeah.
Like, she's comfortable like this.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know many cats that would
Like
let you just...
twisted. And
Yeah. She's like so happy. She's just so happy. Hi.
Purring. She's purring.
Literally.
Oh my
Little
god.
weirdo. Are you such a little
Can you
weirdo?
say hi?
You gonna go for a walking tour?
I like the orange one. I like orange cats.
I know, me too.
Yeah.
We've got 2 orange ones right now. This is Tristan in there too.
Oh yeah.
But that's definitely our name.
Oh, he was gonna jump. Oh. Yeah, you did it. Yeah, this is a good spot. Uh-oh. I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. Why are you troublemaker? Why are you being troublemaker? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're in the box.
So sweet.
We're gonna have a fight. Here we go. Wants the box.
Oh, Sunbeam.
Sunbeam, yeah. He's gonna get the box. you guys enjoyed this cat cafe video here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Something unique, something different here on the Zeekman channel, and they were the cutest things in the world. So anyway, thanks a lot. I'll see you guys soon.